Hello friends, how are you? In this video I am gonna show you guys what an SEO is, how SEO works, what it does and its types. I will tell you briefly about all about the SEO and its types and everything in this video. And I'm sure if you are looking my videos, so you are facing some of the problems in your website, like you have a number of articles but you don't have page views, you don't have a single user or maybe less users for your website. So all the things you are lagging just because of an SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. And so in this video we'll just learn SEO in very simple words, that what an SEO is. So SEO is full form is search engine optimization. It means that you have to optimize your website as per search engines like Google, Ask, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So how you can do all this all things I will tell you in my another articles, but in this we'll learn that about the SEO. And nowadays it's not a big deal of making a website, like, because we have a number of platforms like WordPress, and it's a work of a child or a baby to create a website and putting articles on that. But the main thing is that, are you getting a good rank on the Google? Does your search results are on the higher rank? Does you receive an organic traffic from Google or another search engines? So this is all a race that's going on nowadays between our bloggers, professionals, and everyone. It's not a time of decades back when you have a website and you can easily get clicks and everything for your website. But nowadays there are a number of bloggers and a number of competition, so it's not a easy job for you to get a number of users or page views. So an SEO for a website is must for nowadays. So search engine optimization, as I told, is just a way to optimize your website so that Google can recognize it very carefully and properly and put it into your search results and give you the high ranking. And how it all does is depends how you are making an SEO for your website, because SEO is having two types. One is an SEO broadly categorized into two types. The one is on page SEO, another one is off page SEO. But firstly I will show you about the some of the snippets, because SEO is all about managing your snippets so that Google can put these snippets in a very proper way and make your particular search results into you in the top or the first page of the Google. All And if you see this page, this is the videos snippet, and this snippet and this snippet. Just compare these two. Which one is good one? If I would prefer to use, I will prefer this one, because it has ratings, reviews, and how many time it takes to make this recipe. So this is a type of a very good, it's a rich snippet, and it's a type of a good SEO. And how this person did that you can learn from my another tutorials, but this is one of the type of on page SEO. If I will tell you about the types of an SEO, see, this is the wrong SEO. Like when I firstly started the website, so I created a website and Google crawled my website, and see that what's the snippet here. Everywhere in the meta description I'm getting wrong description, same description in all. So does anybody is going to click here in my snippet, or does Google give me the good ranking with this type of SEO? No. So in my website I did search engine optimization techniques, I applied those techniques, and I'm getting a very much and a very pretty good traffic. So as I will simply tell you that and SEO just means you have to optimize your title, your description, your keywords, URL. What a keyword is, snippet is created by using a title which is in a blue color, and meta description, this is the description, gray color, URL in a yellow color. And if you see SEO, if you see French toast, this is the rich snippet type, this particular rating. So if you want to do SEO, the main thing for you nowadays is using the proper keywords for your website. There are like two keywords. One is make money online, and there's some synonym of money is like a revenue, make revenue online. So I think more for make money online you will getting more traffic, but in the same time the competition is more. So it's very important for you to take care of the keywords, what keywords you are going to use to make your snippet, so that when someone searches, so you will get a low competition and you will get a rank higher, because it's just a vice versa. If you are having a good, you get good keywords, and then you will get a higher ranking on the Google or another search engines. There are broadly two types of SEO. One is an on-page. On-page SEO is just means whatever you can do with your website, with your web pages. That's all is on-page SEO. So in on-page SEO, that one thing comes is a page title. You can choose your title. You can choose a very good title for your website. So how you can choose the title is going to search the good keywords on Google keyword planner tool. Then you can select the good keywords and make a good title. Design layout, that next you can change, because design layout doesn't actually comes under the SEO, because it just looks, it makes the look of your website very good. So when someone visit your website, if he finds a design and the layout as a good, then he can look for some more articles on your website. So meta description, as I told you, is the description is in the snippet, and the another things, URL and the keywords and the image alternative tags is also useful if someone is searching the images, so that you can get traffic from the images also. So this is all the on page SEO. And the off page SEO is uh, anything that you do outside your website. It means this is also one of the important term and one of the important things of SEO, because Google don't only check your website, your content, it also check the references of your website from another web pages. The number of references that going towards your website, you will get rank higher. And like social bookmarking, YouTube social website, and social engine submission, blog commenting, analytics, and the webmaster tool, sitemap, submit, and all these that comes under off-page SEO. So I will just show you some another examples of good SEO. See, this is the one that this is also a good SEO. So like this you can do changes, and you can make changes to your website. If you are using a WordPress, I would recommend you to use all-in-one schema.org plugin for your rich snippets, to make a snippet like this, ratings and all. And if you want to make a snippet uh, good, then you should use a on sorry, this name is SEO by Yoast in a WordPress. So there are two plugins that you must use if you want to do SEO, is SEO by Yoast, and second one is all-in-one schema.org for the rich snippets. So all this is all from my side for an SEO and its types. So if you're gonna get a more traffic, and if you want to learn more about an SEO, just subscribe to my channel and learn another tutorials and the videos in my channel. And thank you for watching this video.